Hey guys, welcome back. So in my last video I have covered how can we create an adaptive form, and using a template we can create adaptive form, and then we can configure various fields available in the system out of the box ones. In this video I'm going to cover how can we send an email using adaptive form. So the very first thing what we have to do is we have to set the DayCQ mail service. So just a refresher, I will just tell about that. How can we configure a mail service? So the URL will be system console config mgr, and then we need to search for DayCQ mail service. And once we open DayCQ mail service, so this is kind of input we have to fill in. So very first thing is the host, SMTP server host. I'm going to use my Gmail account and the server port. So Gmail works on 465, or it can be 25 as well. Then username and password, those details we have to fill in. I'm just not showing in my AEM OSGI Felix console because this is sensitive information. After filling all this information, and then we have to just save this service. If you are going to use just for testing purpose your Gmail account and it doesn't work, as in after putting right information, just enable this. So there is something called less secure applications from your Google account. If you are going to use your Gmail as a SMTP server, just try to off it, otherwise it will not work. Okay, and then after this what we have to do, we have to open our what we just created in the last video, and just off it. Okay, and we have to select the form container. Just select the form container and then click on the configuration icon. So it should show all this information, and then we have to go on the submission. Okay, and then in submit action just select send email. So there are other options as well, and I'm going to cover a few of them. For example, how can we create a REST endpoint, etc. But for this exercise we are going to select send email, and then we have to fill in from information, and then to is nothing but to which email address we have to send this in, send this email. So which is nothing but this identifier. Okay, I'll just show. So if we just configure it, this is the name I have given to this field, email. So to this email address this email should go. I'll just again select the container. Submission, yes. So email, and then if you want to add CC or BCC, etc., subject line. Okay, and this is the email template in which what I'm doing, I'm just sending the dynamic parameter. Name is this field, so dear name, and then you have been enrolled for the summer camp, below are your details, and again name is again dynamic, date of birth is also we are taking from here, and then grade. Okay, we can also configure an email template path template, and then we can give path from here. That is also possible. And if we want to include any attachments, for this exercise we are not using an attachment, but we can do that. So this is all configuration we have to do, and then we have to click on save. Yeah, then we can preview this, and maybe I will just monitor. Let's just So email address will be let's click on submit. Yeah, so we received one email, and if we click on it, so all the values are coming dynamically. So my name is coming here, and the details what I have filled in the form. Okay, so this is how we can configure email service, and we can use that email service for sending email from our AEM forms. So that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.